Imagine a place where lush green forests meet pristine beaches, where wildlife thrives in harmony with nature. Welcome to Costa Rica, a small Central American country that is a beacon of sustainability and conservation, a haven for biodiversity, and a paradise for those who wish to live in alignment with the earth. Costa Rica, a country roughly the size of West Virginia, is home to an astonishing 5% of the world's biodiversity. From the vibrantly colored frogs in the rainforests to the majestic sea turtles on the coast, life in all its diverse forms flourishes here. But Costa Rica's commitment to life extends beyond simply preserving its biodiversity. This country has made significant strides towards being eco-conscious and is a world leader in conservation. Costa Rica has pledged to become carbon neutral by the year 2050. It's a commitment that's seen in their vast protected lands, which make up over a quarter of the country. These protected areas serve as sanctuaries for wildlife and play a critical role in combating climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide. But these efforts aren't just for the animals or the trees. They're for the people too. Costa Ricans understand that we are all part of the same interconnected web of life. By protecting the environment, they're ensuring a better, healthier future for everyone. This respect for life and commitment to sustainability resonates strongly with the vegan ethic. Vegans choose to live in a way that minimizes harm to all living beings and the environment, and there's a lot to learn from Costa Rica's example. Here, care for the environment is not just a part of policy, but a way of life. From the food they eat, to the energy they use, to the way they protect their landscapes and wildlife, Costa Ricans live their values every day. And it's this shared love for life and the planet that makes Costa Rica a destination that vegans, and indeed anyone who values sustainability, can appreciate and enjoy. Costa Rica's commitment to conservation is a testament to its respect for all forms of life, a value that aligns well with the vegan lifestyle. Now, step into the vibrant world of Costa Rican cuisine, a cornucopia of fresh produce, hearty grains, and flavorful beans. Costa Rican food is a colorful tapestry woven from the country's rich biodiversity. Traditional dishes are a testament to the country's commitment to sustainability, often featuring locally sourced, seasonal ingredients. Rice and black beans, known as gallo pinto, are the staple of any Costa Rican meal, often accompanied by fresh fruits and vegetables that are as diverse as the country's landscapes. But how does this translate into a vegan lifestyle, you ask? Well, the beauty of Costa Rican cuisine lies in its simplicity and versatility. The same rice and beans that form the base of gallo pinto can be transformed into a hearty vegan stew with the addition of vegetables like peppers, onions, and tomatoes. Not to mention the abundance of fresh fruits like mangoes, pineapples, and bananas that make for a sweet treat or a refreshing smoothie at any time of the day. And let's not forget about casado, another traditional dish that can easily be veganized by swapping out the meat for tofu or tempeh. Costa Rica's cornucopia extends beyond just fruits and vegetables. The country's fertile soils also produce a variety of grains and legumes. Quinoa, lentils, and chickpeas are all readily available and can be used to whip up a variety of vegan dishes that are both nutritious and delicious. And then there's the sopa negra, a black bean soup that's a staple in Costa Rican households. Traditionally made with eggs, it can easily be veganized by leaving out the eggs or replacing them with tofu. So, whether you're a seasoned vegan or just starting out on your plant-based journey, Costa Rican cuisine has something to offer. It's a testament to the country's rich biodiversity and commitment to sustainability. With a little creativity, these traditional dishes can be transformed into delicious vegan meals that are just as flavorful and satisfying. Costa Rican cuisine, with its emphasis on fresh local ingredients, offers a wide array of options for those seeking a plant-based diet. Costa Rica isn't just a paradise for nature lovers, it's also a haven for vegans. This vibrant country is brimming with destinations that go the extra mile to cater to those who choose a plant-based lifestyle. Let's start our journey in the lively city of San Jose, where veganism is not just a trend, but a lifestyle that's deeply interwoven into the fabric of everyday living. Here, you'll find a plethora of eateries offering delectable vegan dishes. From quaint cafes serving plant-based versions of traditional Costa Rican fare to upscale restaurants offering innovative vegan menus, the city is a gastronomic delight for those seeking cruelty-free cuisine. Next, we venture into the heart of Costa Rica's farming country. The rich, fertile soils here nurture a bounty of fresh fruits and vegetables. Many farms practice sustainable farming methods, aligning perfectly with the vegan ethos of minimizing harm to the environment. These farms often supply local markets and restaurants, ensuring that the produce on your plate is not only vegan, but also locally sourced and environmentally friendly. But Costa Rica's commitment to vegan-friendly practices extends beyond its food scene. The country is home to numerous eco-lodges and sustainable resorts that prioritize environmental conservation, making them ideal choices for the conscious traveler. These establishments often incorporate vegan principles into their operations, from offering plant-based meals to using cruelty-free products in their amenities. In the charming town of Monteverde, for example, you'll find lodges nestled amidst lush forests that are committed to preserving the natural beauty that surrounds them. They serve up hearty vegan meals made with locally sourced ingredients, allowing you to enjoy the flavors of Costa Rica while remaining true to your vegan principles. As we've seen, Costa Rica's commitment to sustainability, conservation, and respect for all life forms aligns seamlessly with the values at the core of veganism. It's a country where you can enjoy stunning landscapes and rich biodiversity, all while sticking to your vegan lifestyle. Whether you're seeking a vegan meal or a sustainable getaway, Costa Rica offers a wealth of options. So, why not plan your next adventure to this vegan-friendly paradise? Behind every great destination are the people who make it special. Let's meet a few Costa Ricans who are making a difference. In the lush heartland of Costa Rica, we find individuals who embody the spirit of Pura Vida, pure life, and are working tirelessly to make their homeland a vegan-friendly haven. Their stories inspire and motivate, reminding us that every choice we make can have a profound impact on our world. Take, for example, Maria, a restaurateur in the bustling city of San Jose. She's turned her passion for plant-based cuisine into a thriving business, serving up traditional Costa Rican dishes with a vegan twist. Maria believes that food is a powerful medium to express compassion, and through her restaurant she's able to share this message with locals and tourists alike. Then there's Carlos, a farmer in the Verdant Central Valley. His farm is a testament to sustainable agriculture, growing a variety of organic produce without the use of harmful pesticides. Carlos's dedication to nurturing the land aligns perfectly with vegan values, proving that it's possible to feed our communities without compromising the health of our planet. And let's not forget Elena, a conservationist working in the rainforests of Guanacaste. She's on a mission to protect Costa Rica's diverse wildlife from the threats of deforestation and climate change. Elena's work is a reminder of why many people choose a vegan lifestyle, to reduce their environmental impact and protect all living beings. These are but a few of the many voices that ring out from Costa Rica, each one echoing the same message: respect for nature, love for all creatures, and a commitment to sustainable living. It's a message that resonates deeply with the vegan community, and it's one that Costa Rica proudly embodies. These individuals are the heart of Costa Rica, embodying the values of compassion, sustainability, and respect for all life. As we've seen, Costa Rica is a country that cherishes its natural beauty and honors all forms of life. This nation, so full of vibrancy and diversity, has managed to create a harmony between its inhabitants and the environment, a harmony that we can all learn from. Every choice we make has an impact. It echoes across the globe, affecting not just us, but the world at large. The food we eat, the products we buy, the places we visit, they all leave a mark. It's easy to forget this, to get lost in the hustle and bustle of everyday life. But it's important to remember that our choices matter. What if we made choices that were kinder to the planet? Choices that didn't harm, but rather nourished the earth? How about trying a vegan meal that celebrates the rich biodiversity of Costa Rica? Picture this: a plate full of vibrant colors, flavors that dance on your tongue, a meal that not only nourishes your body but also respects the earth. Or perhaps you could plan a trip to this eco-conscious destination. Experience firsthand the beauty of a country that values all life, that has made a commitment to protect its environment. Walk through lush rainforests, witness the magnificent wildlife, breathe in the fresh air, and let the magic of Costa Rica wash over you. And while you're there, why not visit some of the vegan-friendly spots we talked about? Enjoy a meal at a local vegan eatery, stay at a vegan-friendly lodge, and immerse yourself in the Costa Rican way of life. Remember, every decision we make, every action we take, is a step towards a future. It's up to us to decide what kind of future that is. By choosing vegan, you're aligning with values that Costa Rica holds dear. So why not take a step towards a more sustainable lifestyle and let Costa Rica inspire you on this journey?